Hi, hi, and today I will be showing you how to do a MLCam glitch. So, you want a den that's spaced out, very nice, plain, and you want like two objects, kind of in the same line, like that. You can do this in any position, like say I can do it like that, and afterwards I'll show you how to do the non-member way. But first, let's do the member way because I know that way the best. So you want to be sitting on your object, have this open because you're going to want to click it. So then really fast, you're going to have to click on this and then click on that. So like this. You're sliding. And same thing works with dancing, any motion. Sleep. Play. Play isn't the best one. Dance. Hop. I've never tried hop before. Now this is the non-member way. So two objects, non-member items, like that, and you're gonna wanna do it like that. Have this open. Well, it's easier doing it member way. I'm just gonna randomly click one. See how cool that looks? Just gonna space that out to there. And then you'll get more of the hopping. Okay, I guess it only wants to go to there. Okay, so I would recommend doing these, but you can really do it with anyone, with any item. Like that, Linux. Okay. That would have been so cute. I know why they didn't have that. Oh! Okay, Fox. While doing play. I mean, that will be hard because look how play is. Imagine that and moving. I wonder if it's gonna work. That was pretty nice. I'm gonna do that again. Like, you saw it just stopped right there, so maybe I was like blocking it. I'm gonna have to move it farther. This is so fun. So now I'm gonna do it with non-member one. Like the pig. Pig would be nice. Okay, so now that we have this nice dancing, well, I think that's a pretty nice glitch. I mean, you can look up. I mean, this is how I do it. Go to Apari, go to Brazer, and then there. I mean, you can, like, this is the non-member way.
After choosing your position, the next thing you want to do is open up the repeat box that's located right above the chat box.
Okay, this is not
It is
the
in the
non-member
repeat box.
way.
The next step is a little bit tricky.
I'm gonna let you
This
watch
next step
this
consists of two
part.
parts. The first step is to click on the marker on the opposite side of the room. The next step is to quickly move your mouse over to the repeat box and click the position that you want to slide in. When you click this position, you should already be in motion. And after clicking the position, you will switch that position and slide the rest of the way. Now I will explain how to do this as a non-member.
Okay, so this is the non-member
Keep in
one.
mind that when you're a non-member or a member using this method, you can't slide in the sitting position. You can only slide with the other positions, like sleeping, jumping, etc. So all you have to do is type the position in the chat with colons on each side. And then after clicking the marker that you want to go to, just hit the enter key
Okay,
on your
let
keyboard.
me show you
Some people,
how
even
you
though they
do
are
it. I mean, I learned from the non-member one, then I forgot. So, I'm just gonna do bricks, because I like those better. And I think it's easier that way. Switch to my Arctic Wolf. You're gonna want free chat for this, by the way, because you can't do this one. You don't have free chat. I'll show you another account that doesn't have free chat. Okay. Enter. And it goes like that. Now let me show you why you will need free chat. Don't mind that. Okay. Like this. I can do it, but it won't even let me accept it. So that's going to wrap it up